Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cubot Max 3 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the gestures. It should be, let's say, on the second position of this list, so let's tap, and here on the second position again we've got the system navigation, so let's enter. And here we've got two different options from which you can choose. So currently, of course, we've got the 3-button navigation, and if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, just tap right here in order to customize it. As you can see, you can reorder the buttons, so you can switch the places of the recents and the back button. So of course, if you want to, you can do it. If you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this option. And as you can see at the top, we will have the animation of the gesture navigation, so how to use it. Of course, I'll show you later on. What's more, right here we've got the evidence, so the 3 buttons simply disappeared and we've got only this one line which is responsible for several gestures, several actions, and of course I will explain them. What's more, we can customize it. We can tap on this settings icon, and as you can see here we've got the options connected to the back sensitivity, which simply means that after using this switcher, this blue area will be bigger or smaller. It is because we are changing the sensitivity, and it simply means that we are changing the area which will be responsible for catching, let's say, your back gesture. So it's up to you. I will leave it like this, for example. And now let me show you how the gestures work. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side, it works the same. So just like that, you can see this arrow, so just release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back to the system navigation. The same situation right here. As you can see, we've got the gestures. So if you'd like to get back to the home page, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, to the center of your device. Just like that, and as you can see, we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, just swipe your finger up again, but this time leave it like here, so stop it right here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Cubot Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.